Friends, today we are having with us Ankit Joshi, who has cracked his SSB for IMA 150 on 13th October, and he will be speaking to us, sharing his way he prepared and speaking to us about his SSB experience. As Ankit was also one of the online students for one of the online batches in the month of July, I think August. Am I right? August,
Yes,
Ankit?
sir. August, sir. Yes.
Online 9 online 9 batch, and then after he consolidated his knowledge, appeared for SSB and cracked it. So without wasting any more time, I would now request Ankit to share with us how did he prepare, and was this his first time or he had prepared earlier. How was this preparation different from the preparations which he had carried earlier, and thereafter, I will ask him to tell us his experience. So first, because all the students who are attending the sessions are in the preparatory mode, so I would be keen to know, they will all be rather keen to know, how did you prepare this time so that you could crack the SSB? Over to you.
Yes, sir. So first of all, good afternoon, everyone. And so my journey started after cracking the CDS exam. So after that, I joined the online course of EMAS in July 27th this year. And yeah, in the course, I prepared like you guys are preparing. I did everything sir told me. And about my previous preparation, I took a different coaching 3 years ago. First time I appeared for technical entry scheme SSB interview when I was in my first year. So at that time, I took a different coaching. So that was okay. But after coming to this coaching, I realized that uh, things can be, always improved. So here I improved all my past mistakes. And after completing my course here, I had 1 month. My dates were not out yet at that time, so I had 1 month. So I prepared, and yeah, one thing I will say is that stay in touch with sir, because after you will finish this batch, as sir adds us to a family where we used to practice stories and different tests regularly, which helped us a lot. So yeah, that's one thing. And about my preparation, I for psych test, I will say that the pictures which you guys practice here, I also used to practice here. So the pictures are very relevant to the one shown in the SSB. Out of my 11th picture, 12th one being a blank, almost 7 to 8 pictures were the same which were shown here, and the picture which were different were not much different. They were somehow same as they were done by me here. All right. So for the word association test, I will say practice is the main thing. And for the situation reaction, common sense should be applied, right? And I think all this is taught to you well by sir. So after that, the interview part, I will say the interview taken here by Ghosh sir and SB sir is more than enough. They will tell you everything, like where you have to improve and what you have to do. Okay. And for the GTO, I will say just focus on the concept of the fulcrum, effort, and load, which I think sir have taught you or will teach you later. So by that concept, see, if we apply it, if apply the concept on ground, it's a different thing. But if we get the concept in our mind, it is same as we are doing it in the ground. Okay. So there also I easily got ideas when I needed, right? And the lecturate part, I will say, is very good. We practice enough here. Sir told us many topics, and almost all the topics, 6 people were in my group, and almost all the topic that they were speaking, I had practiced their topics also here, including my one. Okay. So that was a good part for me. And yeah, this time my how my preparation was different, I will say that I was aware of the full process and what I was supposed to do. That is the main thing, how each and every test has its importance, and how you have to do in that. Like earlier I did not know the format of group planning exercise. So here, sir told me about like identification of problems, then the available resources, then you divide the subgroups. So all that things helps very much. Yeah.
Yeah, so we got a fair idea about how you prepared, Ankit. Now let's go over to your SSB. They'll be keen to know how did you tackle the stage one, the PPTT, was there a fish market, how did you manage to speak? All that is there in their mind of the students who are yet to go. And then some part you have covered about the psych test and all. And then on ground, how did you handle the GTO tasks and what are the kind of questions asked in the interview? So take us over that also.
Right, sir. So my SSB started on 9th of October at Bangalore. So I reported, 23 of us reported there, and then we were made to give our OIR test. So OIR was simple. If you practice here, there it will be enough. Okay. So after the OIR, we did our PPDT. Picture was easy, not very different. So after writing the story, narration, I will say that it is a very important aspect in the screening test, because if your narration goes well, then you get the confidence to participate well in the group discussion. So in the group discussion, as our batch was full of repeaters, so it is obvious that there was a fish market. So one technique that sir taught me is to, when a repeater is speaking continuously, so just praise him. Okay. This makes him, you can apply it yourself. If you say that like just number 15 was there who was speaking continuously his point, so I said that very good point by chess number 15. So he, smiled and he got silent. So at that moment, I got my chance to speak. And so fish market will can happen there, as in the group of fresher, it is less likely to happen. But in the repeaters group, it may happen. So you should be prepared for that, and you should be able to sell your fish logically. Okay. After that, psych test, I already told you how it should be done. You must be knowing how to practice 2 to 3 sets of pictures earlier before appearing in the SSB. Just set a timer of 4 minutes and do the pictures. That will help you to improve your timing. Same goes with word association and SRTs and SD as well. So in uh, my interview was held on the fourth day. So after everyone's interview was over, I had experience about from their interview. I asked them what were the questions asked, all that. So it is one of the good thing. So after that, I appeared, and he welcomed me. And first thing he asked, would you like to put on the mask and shield or not? So I said, I'm not okay with it, so I removed it. So that was fine. So after that, it started with a repo like, Ankit, where are you from? And what are you currently doing? Tell me about something about Haldwani, the place you belong to, Nainital, and all. So after that, he jumped right into the CIQs and started asking me about my education and all. So I answered them nicely, as I was prepared beforehand. And after that, the CIQ2 about the marks and families and other CIQs of hobbies and all. So that went very smooth. So some questions that were different from the CIQs were like, you are from Uttarakhand, so which regiment would you like to join, like this? So he told me infantry is the one, Kumaon regiment is there, so many people join infantry. So I said I would like to join armored. Then he said why? So uh, I told him that it is not, it all it matters to me is to join the defense. It doesn't matter wherever I go, I'll perform my best over there. So that was a different question. Or it can be regarding your family. Like some questions were there. Tell me 3 bad qualities your best friend will tell about you. Tell me about you. So all these things uh, goes on easily. And then there were some current affair questions, like all the questions, current happenings. If you regularly go through the MR's news, so you will find it easy to cover that portion. Okay. Finally, going to my GTO. So our group, 12 people out of 23 were screened in. So we were divided into 2 groups of 6 candidates each. So in my group, all were repeaters, but all were good candidates. They were very supportive. So group discussion went very well. Everyone got a chance to speak as there were only six candidates, and each discussion was of 15 minutes. So GP was also very good. And after that, we went to the progressive group task. So there, what I did was, even if firstly they, our group was like, no one, sir told me, sir, ki first thing you got to hold is the rassi, the rope. So, but when the GTO sir said start, nobody was holding anything. Like everyone was very, you can go ahead, like humble. So I got hold of the rope, and then I started giving ideas. I let them go forward, and they let me go forward as well. So cooperation was there, and that cooperation can be made. One thing I will tell you is GTO held in the third day. So in those 2 days, you can become good friends with them, as we became. So this will eventually, give uh, lay down a strong cooperation between your group. So that will automatically bring good performance of the whole group. Okay, so that is a good thing in GTO. And the task were, the obstacle in the GTOs were fine. First and second was good. Third one was a little bit challenging, so we did it as well. And in the fourth one, our time was up. Okay, so after then, we moved to the half group task. As sir told, there were three ways you can go inside of it. So one of that we choose, and it was done. The group obstacle race, I will say, was very, rejuvenating. It was very good. Like we participated in that. Winning is not necessary. I was told that it is the group participation and the cheerfulness and the uh, help or cooperation that you show in there. So I was helping each and everyone. If someone was stuck, I was giving my hand. Come on, brother, and let's go on, cheering our war cry loudly. So yeah, we enjoyed it very much. At the same time, don't forget to enjoy it. It is the best task according to me in the GTO. Okay, so after that, we did our half group task I told, and the lecturer was okay, as the topics that were given to me were already practiced there. They were GST, cyber crimes, reality shows. So I spoke on GST. So as sir told that choosing a good topics can fetch you good marks. So I did GST. And after that, command task, yeah, two candidates called me. We made a planning earlier, like sir told, yeah, just made a plan. I will call you, you will call me, okay. So night before we planned that, and that went well. Two candidates called me. I called two of them as well. After that, moving to the final group task. So the final group task given to us was the fourth PGT. So at the end of GTO, our cooperation was so good that the fourth PGT, we were able to solve it under 10 minutes as a group. So the FGT also went fine. And yeah, now moving on to the conference. So every candidate's conference went for 1 minute, except for chest number 4, who got recommended with me. His conference was around 20 to 25 minutes. So we all were thinking, oh, this candidate will make it like this. After that, my conference also went for 2 minutes. So after that, the results were announced, and test number 4 and 12 got recommended, and we were very happy, ready to share the news with sir and our family.
Great. So nice of you to have, very lucidly, very slowly described your complete experience of SSB. And I was happy to see that you have actually picked up the things online and, kept them in your mind, in the presence of mind, to utilize them when it had to be utilized. So
Right, sir.
now the house is open. Let me see if any one of you has a question. Manveer has asked a question that what are the GK topics, GK questions, if you remember, you can share what all you are asked, and then I'll see what others need to want to ask.
Okay, GK question in the interview, I was asked about the national education policy, and I was asked about the next national recruitment agency, the test, one single test, and I was asked about Brexit. These three things I remember about GK.
Yeah, so that means two national, one international, right?
Yes, sir.
Brexit is absolutely international and requires depth knowledge, and the two things are also very important. Okay, any
Yes.
more questions? Anybody? Now you can directly ask. I mean, no need to type. You can directly ask. Anybody?
sir, just number 15, sir. My question is on command task. You not complete this task, but I have a some question. Sir, command task is given to you. Then what you choose, sir? पहले उनको भेजा है कि आपने खुद इनिशिएटिव लिया है?
इसके बारे में जस्ट सर ने पहले बताया कि आप सबसे पहले उनको पहला और दूसरा प्लैंक उठाने के लिए बोलेंगे और आप अपने आप रोप उठाएंगे। फिर इसके बाद आप टास्क को जब तक आप उनको बुलाते हैं, सो यू गेट इनफ टाइम टू evaluate which path and how you will solve that. So I evaluated that. After that, be the first or second one to move. Don't be the third one. Either initiate or you can be the second one to move. Okay, that will be fine.
Can you hold? Are you hold your obstacle? मतलब कौन से helping materials also?
Yeah,
or you just guided them?
No,
Dinesh,
I was holding
I will
the
cover
rope.
this. Dinesh,
Sure,
I
sir.
will
Okay, sir.
Don't worry.
Okay,
We
sir.
command task पूरा discuss होगा.
Yes.
The way Ankit has performed, he has performed as per our teachings. So we will discuss all this. Who should go ahead? Who should hold plank? Who should not hold plank? All this will be.
Right, sir.
Yeah, somebody asked which SSB you are recommended from? 17, 24. कौन सा था?
17 SSB
17,
Bangalore.
17 SSB Bangalore. Yeah. Anybody else who wants to directly ask Ankit for joining us and in detail taking us through your experience of SSB, and I'm sure they would all benefit. And you also prepare well for your IMA, and
Right, sir.
you're already there in the group, and all the activities of IMA training is taking place.
Yes, sir.
You remember I was mentioning about the Masuri night. So I said this time may not be held, but I got a message from Aman Patel that it has been held.
Okay.
Right.
So we will do it, sir.
So prepare yourself, fitness, everything, and join and do well in your life. Thank you so much for joining us, Ankit. Right.
Thank you for having me here, sir.